a partnership about to take flight. The Botanic Garden could soon be hosting some of the country's rarest native birds. The City Council's close to finalising an agreement with the Otago Natural History Trust and the Department of Conservation, which would establish a captive breeding program for native birds here in the city. The aviary would be the first stop for the birds on their way to a planned wildlife sanctuary at Orokonui, near Waitati.
We've been looking after our native birds and as well as we can, but there's that thing of, well, they're native and they're wonderful to see, but this is their country and there's kind of nowhere for them to go.
The aviary would allow the birds to breed in a safe and controlled environment before being moved to the wildlife sanctuary.
A lot of people enjoy the aviary and will continue to do for many years, but I think that prospect in the future that they go and look at saddlebacks, kakas, kakarikis, our native birds and think, wow, you know, I can go and see those flying free at the sanctuary. You know, that's pretty amazing.
The aviary is currently home to several exotic bird species. However, the council believes accommodating native species won't ruffle any feathers.
In our aviary, we've got a good collection of exotic birds, particularly Australian parrots and our South American macaws, and they're always going to be there for the enjoyment of the public. And but since the aviary was moved to the Upper Gardens, the new aviary, we haven't been able to be involved as we would like to have been with captive breeding programs where native birds are bred at the aviary and then had that possibility of going out for release into the wild.
The proposal will be discussed by the three parties later this month, meaning these exotic birds could have some native feathered friends by the end of the year. Jeff Yorston, 9 Local News.